So please let me know that before joining ACS, how was your life in the sense, what were the challenges that you were facing, or how was it overall before ACS?
See, I think I've always been, someone who was interested in spirituality and spiritual learnings, along with my work, my profession. But I think ACS has given a structure to that. So, now I'm a part of a community, and there are these sessions, live sessions, that I attend twice a week. Then there's a platform, where I find like-minded people, talking about
Yeah.
Advaita Vedanta, or their personal challenges and their achievements. So I don't feel alone, and I feel that there is always a community where I can fall back to. So that has been a change that I can say. And personally, I feel, see, I joined, I think, in November, sometime. Yeah. So in these, 4 months, 5 months that I've been practicing, I feel that I have become less reactive. So earlier I would just, I mean, I would become reactive very often, and now actually I wouldn't say that I'm not reactive, but I would say that it is more like, even if I react, uh, I'm able to control myself more easily. So I'm able to probably look at it from another angle, another perspective, that, well, this is not all, and this is just a simulation, and this too shall pass, that, so that feeling is there. So I would say
Right.
that is the change that I feel. Yeah.
All right. So that is very beautiful. I want to ask you this as well. Before starting any journey, before we could
Hmm.
begin anything,
Yeah.
our old Swabhava will always want us to stay comfortable and it will not allow us to move forward. That is
Hmm.
the old identity.
Hmm.
So we start doubting the process, we start doubting ourselves also. So I just want to understand from you, before joining ACS, did you also have any kind of doubts? Did you have anything like that? Or it was a smooth path for you?
um No, certainly. I was looking for something. That's when I was like, I was actually looking at manifestation videos and all that. That's where I actually came across Sujan's video, and
Right.
somewhere it felt a lot more deeper than the usual manifestation, law of manifestation videos, as he also says in his
Yes.
classes. So that's exactly where I think that connect happened. That it is not just, well, you just read out your affirmations in this
Yeah.
way and that's all, and it's basically understanding the nature of life. So that is something that had actually resonated with me.
Now, I would want to understand your experience after joining ACS. Like you have already mentioned to us that you have stopped reacting. That is
Yeah.
something that you have,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
that is something that you told. Any other things that you would like to share? That is, how was your experience working with ACS and how has it impacted you in your life?
See,
What are the
now,
changes?
yeah, the changes, if so, I work in a corporate setup, and I meet so many people every day, and I'm talking to people all the time, interacting. So it's not that I'm at home and, I can just be in my cocoon. So, right, I'm in the
Yeah.
world. And sometimes things don't go our way. But I think one thing with ACS, something that I carry with me every day, are that thought that whatever is happening for my good. That
Yes.
keeping that this thing, ultimately everything is happening for my good and for my
Yeah.
highest good. And so that belief is something that resonates with me, that actually so even if I find people talking negatively,
Yeah.
like for instance, right now, this Dubai, and the war, and people are sounding very negative. Everybody around is like, oh my God, what is happening? So I somehow feel that, okay, I mean, I think as a country we are doing well. I mean, I try to see positives in that. So
Right.
seeing that positive in any situation is
Your
something.
perspective has changed, right? Your
Perspective
perspective.
has changed, or at least, even if there's a momentary sense of doubt, I try to calm myself, thinking that everything is happening for good. So that
True.
that is something that has changed professionally.
Beautiful, beautiful. And I just want to understand from you, if a person is trying to decide whether to join ACS or not, and
Mhm.
uh, imagine that the person is presently in a state where you were earlier. Now
Mhm.
they are in that kind of a situation and they are trying to decide whether to take this up or not. What would you tell? What would you recommend?
So I would certainly recommend them to join ACS, because it is a community of like-minded people who are on the same path, same journey, spiritual evolution, as well as evolution in the physical field
True.
as well. So yes, I would certainly ask them to join.
And if you would want to describe ACS in one word, what would that be? If you want, you can take your time.
Uh, If I can say, it's like family. So,
Wow.
family,
Okay.
yeah, because I, even though I have not, uh, I mean, you just said one word, but I would just like to explain why I said family.
Sure,
Is
sure.
because I feel that there are few people. So we have these calls, and I find there are people whom I've not met, but I sort of, I it feels I know them from the
Yeah.
interactions on the platform, in the like during the calls, their doubts, their everything. It just feels very personal. So that's where I felt that it does feel like a family, which
Family.
understands, which would
Yes.
understand me. Yeah.
Yeah, very true. And it was a beautiful message that you gave. And anything else you want to add to people who are watching, who will be watching this?
Uh, if you really want to improve your life, and you really want to be on a journey that feels complete, you should embark on this path. So where it's a very holistic development.